Hey everyone. I'm here to talk about something a little different today, coding jobs and how they're changing and evolving. Is this something that you should be worried about? Well, that's what I'll be discussing in this video. First, let's take a look at the recent evolution of coding jobs. Nowadays it's becoming increasingly popular for businesses to hire coders who specialize in specific programming languages, such as Java, C++, and Python. This trend has been driven by the need for more efficient and advanced coding solutions, which allow for faster development times and better results. But this shift in focus has led to a decrease in the number of generalist coders. So, should you be worried if you are one? The short answer is no. The demand for coders still remains high and has shown no signs of slowing down. In fact, coding job postings continue to increase as companies turn to specialists for their coding needs. Of course, it does mean that you may need to become more focused in the specific coding tasks that you can perform. That could mean significant training or learning a new language. But, if you make this investment, it could mean greater job security and better pay down the road. So, the answer is that coding jobs are changing, but that doesn't have to be a bad thing. With the right level of focus and training, you can stay ahead of the curve and continue to thrive in the coding job market.